Yeah. Yeah. Whoa. Oh, there's a creeper.
There is a creeper in there.
The same. What if it's the same creeper? What if it's the same creeper?
The same creeper as...
I wanna move. What ones are the moving ones?
Those ones.
Oh, how do I jump?
With the space bar. You have to jump and move forward at the same time.
I wanna fly. Can you build for me?
I need to be closer.
Who is that? I can see. I could see. Oh. What kind of day is it today?
It's Sunday.
Does that mean her own day is coming?
No.
Okay. I love ya. Right? Maybe I'll come out later with you guys. Yeah. Come, Luke. I thought we were going to use some windows.
We can.
Yeah. Okay, I want some windows.
Okay. Do you want them made out of glass or stained glass?
Glass. Not stained glass. What's stained glass?
It's colored glass.
Oh, I don't really like those windows.
Okay.
Stained glass.
Do you want stained glass?
No, I don't really like stained glass.
Okay.
Yeah. This is a great house for the villagers. And me and you. Can I just move? I
Sure.
want to move. I'm going over. Oh, okay. Oh, God. What are you going to do now?
I don't know. Whatever you...
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
I don't understand. I can't even see. It's my video.
Yeah.
Puts and gotcha, cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha. You still have that green thing on?
Green thing. What green thing?
The green thing that you said when you said say something.
Oh. That was just a test to make sure that it was recording our voice, because remember yesterday we didn't have our voice in the video?
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Make
now
some windows there.
I will.
Oh. Spider!
Mm.
Spider's gonna die soon. This is so beautiful.
So beautiful.
I wish we could go somewhere, but if we want to, we have to make a path with a shovel.
Oh yeah, which I couldn't figure that out yesterday.
Yeah. That skeleton wasn't dying the first time. No, it's... Oh, it was heading for
Do
the
you see this
villagers.
creeper on top of the well?
Yeah. Get it off. Those rows are the loud.
Hmm.
Yeah. No, don't kill it. Don't kill it. It's going... I don't want to get stuck somewhere else. Don't go really...
Gavin, you keep hitting my arm, honey, and it's hurting
But
me.
I don't want to get far from the village.
I won't take us too far. I can still see it.
Okay. Make it wooden and that.
Gavin, don't hit my arm with the chair, please.
I'm not.
Okay. I think I went too high there.
What did you say? that time I touched. There's a villager in here.
There is.
You're not even making some windows.
I know, but I want to make all the walls and then I'll put the windows in after.
Oh,
Because
so
it's
break
easier
it,
for me to
break
see
it.
where to put them.
Break some of the wall.
Yeah.
No, just break it right now and make some more windows.
Not yet.
I want the villager to stay here.
I don't know if he will.
Well, then don't make any doors. And don't let villagers out. Wait. No letting the villagers out. I don't want to let the villagers out.
I hear ya.
I don't want to. Can you make square windows?
Oh, you mean like this?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yay.
I sure can. I like that better.
Yeah. Yeah, better windows now. Is there any windows in Harry Potter?
Definitely.
No. I haven't seen any windows.
None. Huh?
Harry Potter. Yeah, I see none.
Interesting.
Yeah. So yeah, I don't trust you about Harry Potter
Okay.
windows. It's all just super dark. What's that music?
Pretty Minecraft music.
It sounds like the jungle.
The jungle.
But remember that sound thingy? That was at Nana's and Papa's playground that was there.
No.
No, it had two drummy things.
Hmm.
And there was like so many colorful bars. And that's what it sounds like.
You're right.
Yeah,
Yep, I remember what you're talking about now.
yeah. Dun, 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 dun. That's a bigger window. Can I go get some of those Beanie Babies?
Sure.
You might all want to come over. Where's the cat guy? Where's the little cat? Can you move this?
Yep.
Actually, all of them wants to stay here.
Yeah, that's fine. I need to put this back anyway.
Back.
Ouch.
Meow.
Hey, you know, Nanook is a husky dog.
Nanook.
Yeah, that's who you have in your hand.
Yeah,
He keeps saying meow like a cat, but he's a dog.
he's a dog.
Yeah, he's a husky.
He looks like a cat.
Maybe a little bit.
Woof woof. Woof woof.
Hi. What's up?
Woof woof. Oh. Mm. Woof woof. Woof woof. Woof woof.
You gonna make us fly? Woo!
Woof woof. You guys are having some trouble. The Nook is like fighting over you. Why is he a dog? I didn't know that.
He's the type of dog.
Oh, he's a cat dog.
Adam, you're hurting my arm every time you run into it.
He's a cat dog, right?
Don't. How about we just keep the chair still? That would be great.
I'll only go this way. Actually, I'll only go that way. And then it will touch that side. And then this side will touch that side way over there. What if the cake's ready?
Oh, I have a timer on my phone.
Oh. Okay. My video. I love my video. 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 Can we walk around the village?
Yep.
Okay.
Just give me 1 sec.
That's a great window.
Thank you.
Thank you. I love replacing glass. Mom, are you done yet? Now? Get down, get down, get down, get down. Oh, 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 oh.
Look at all these carrots.
Oh, get some, grab some.
Oh, I don't get anything because I'm on creative mode.
Yeah. Oh, can we go in there?
Oh, no. Whoops.
Well, don't do that to the poor villagers.
Right? Can't be doing that to the poor villagers.
No, not your new sword. Where are the golems?
They're running around here somewhere. Oh my gosh.
God,
It's the wrong buttons. There we
you always get me.
go. Ooh, there's a ladder.
What's up there?
A secret room. Oh, there's more.
Oh.
Oh, this is that lookout tower. Nice. Cool, we can see the whole village.
Yeah. Mom,
Mm-hmm.
why can't we make a brain house?
I mean, I
Make a-
suppose we could. I'm just not sure how to do that.
Oh,
But we could always try.
it's hard to build in this Minecraft.
I find it easier, but I am used to using a mouse and keyboard, and you are just learning. Whoa. That was like super speed.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, did I
We
knock
didn't
the
break
door off
that
here?
door, no. It was a creeper.
Might have been. You're right.
Could we
I
make
like this one better.
Could we make a security house up here?
Up here?
Yeah.
Oh.
So break some of the gate, but not on the corners.
So like here?
Yeah. And then make a bridge. Make a bridge to that house. To that house. Right over there with that our security one.
That one?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
It has that one has a broken door too. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh my god.
You're not really good at this.
I'm just forever hitting the wrong buttons.
Oh, I went on steel.
That's okay, we can get it back later.
No, the villagers.